Good afternoon, sir. May I introduce myself? I'm Brent Carter Mabagat, AB Philosophy 4th year, and may I introduce yourself, sir?
Okay, hello everyone. I'm Eldojan P. Papato III, and I'm also as well a graduate of philosophy in Xavier University way back 2016.
Um, I have five questions here, sir. First is, what year did you graduate in philosophy?
Um, I started my philosophy course way back 2012, and luckily I just finished it in 4 years, so 2016.
Second is, what are the top... Second question is, what are the top 3 memorable experience or highlights during your AB Philosophy studies at XU?
Top 3 highlights. So, well, maybe first one siguro I would say uh, highlights. The research defense. I shall say the research defense. Why? Because uh, it's one of the grueling, or you'll be grilled during this time. You'll be facing 3 panels. If I can remember, my panel was Sir Campo, Sir Sabal, and forgot the last one, but there are 3 of them are one of my best teachers in, and I think it's memorable for me because what I did is I candidly defended my research, without preparing so much. So uh, in in sa Bisaya pa nagbuot ra ko, but I sounded correct. So after the defense, Sir Maru Sabal approached me, and he told me in Bisaya, of course, siya nga, mura sa correct ha, mura pong correct. So I don't know, maybe at that time I was a little bit proud that I was able to finish the defense, but at the same time I realized nga you can not, hindi mo mailad yung teachers. They know everything about the course, and my research was, I think it's the philosopher from Eastern philosophy to akong gi-defend na paper, and moro to di na malimtan because I tried to bullshit my way out. So moro to, pero it's not good that you try these things. Dapat yun, if you're a philosophy major, you have to be rational and be prepared everything in the one. And next, another siguro nga memorable moment is Ma'am Lalot's class. Why? Because of course we had snacks. Unlike other classes, wala snacks. So, because of that, it made learning more relaxed, not the usual nga mahadlok ka, mapulbaan ka tungkol sa recits. The Socratic method na recits, it's very, it would give you severe anxiety. So unlike Ma'am Lalots, ganahan kag tuon. Relax ra, di ba? Busog pa ka. And lastly siguro, it's a bit odd na memorable siya because this is the time when I failed a class. So it's memorable for me because it is somehow a wake-up call sa ako. It's the class of Mamatet. Was Western philosophy. Bagsak ito. So, after that incident, it made me realize that I have to, work harder. Yeah. Twice as hard as I did before. So, retake ko, masarap ko. Wala man siya na. I think that's the three memorable
Answer.
moments.
Ang third, sir, what careers or professional path have you pursued since graduating with a degree in philosophy, sir?
Well, it's predestined na mga, it's pre-planned na mga ako. So, I have already planned my career way back when I was still in high school pa. In fact, grade school pa gani kayo. If you can see my, yearbook, ako ambition ko dito is to be a lawyer lang din. So, after graduating from philosophy, I proceeded to law school na, enrolled. Hiatus lang 1 year. So, no other option but to proceed to law school.
Fourth is, what is your current job title or profession? And where are you currently working?
Well, luckily, I became a lawyer last 2022. And I am currently working as I am currently a partner of Salcedo Law Office here in Nazaret. So I am a practicing lawyer.
Lastly, how has your AB philosophy training helped you in current career or life journey?
Maybe I can say philosophy helped me so much develop my study habits. You have to read a lot of materials during my years in philosophy. So, develop my study habits, and it's very important in entering law school. And another thing is maybe I became a bit of shall I say hybrid, because I set my goals in an ideal way, basing it on a Western philosophy, and along the way when I'm executing my ideals, I also applied the Eastern philosophy, the more practical one. So I am because of philosophy. I got diversified ko. So I can adjust at any time. I can be ideal at one point and practical at the same time. Mo siguro na siya ang the great mga points that I learned or that I have used during my lifetime and as a lawyer.
And that's all, sir.
Moro to?
Moro to?
Okay, so
Or additional, sir, what new opportunities, perspective, or skills did that degree open up for you?
well, opportunities is
Yeah.
well, there are only two. I can say, to be honest, duaram na. So you can have a path of pre-divinity or pre-law. So again, as I said before, pre-planned naman good. So I've already planned my career. So straight na ko. So I didn't have any, bigang liko. So I was
Wala na dilemma.
I was not put in a dilemma because again, I already prepared for it. So mora na siya, and sa paman to. What was again the one?
Perspective or skills?
Well, as to perspective wise, again, because of Western philosophy, I mean Eastern, I became more practical, and I became open-minded, and I tend to accept things, especially in difficult times na mga situation. If I will be put in a difficult situation, I was able to cope up with it easily because philosophy opened up my mind, especially in that death. Diba? Some people would see death as
As the final.
final, but it's not. So for me, we will be there, wabot kita diyan. So it is inevitable. So I think that's all.
That's all.
And just to add, if I think you mentioned to me earlier that this is a promotional video. I just want to invite students, if you'll be able to see this, philosophy is especially if you want to go to law school, philosophy is a great course to develop your study habits. Because you'll be needing it during law school. You'll be reading thousands of pages in law school. So, in college, you must develop your study habit. Okay, if not, you will struggle really in law school. So, and also the words that were used that we're reading in philosophy, these words are not usually read by layman's. So, ma-develop na nimo imong vocabulary and everything. So, it would not be hard for you to understand the legal maxims. And also, we have a legal philosophy also.
Legal.
So, you'll be taught how to read cases and how to digest cases. Also, philosophy will also develop your critical thinking skills. Diba? It will help you spot issues. And it's very important during bar exam. You have to know the question first before you can answer it. Mo na ang pinaka-. Anyway, I think that's my my output for today.
Yeah, and that's all. Thank you, everyone.